An lidam pen alang itum kisung alam nang mata pen beda de pin pen bukan itum kipu ponat ateng apora teng pen itum Karbi Anglong ang kangar dolong TET qualified candidates atum han the documents verification ke tang an appose han beda de pin pen itum council election aprang abang ke ajat pen sitamen itum appointments pon lapo ko itum hin pen mintilo mention preview law, negative preview law. Even I have mentioned earlier regarding the visit of Chief Minister of Assam to the Karbi Youth Festival, wherein he said that the people of Karbi Anglong, especially he was targeting the TET qualified candidates of Karbi Anglong because he mentioned about the number of vacancies. In other districts. He said that more than 3,000 posts are still lying vacant in other parts of Assam, other districts, other than Karbi Anglong, which have still not been filled up due to the lack of candidates. Because the ST Hills candidate did not apply in those advertisements. But I would like to let you know, respected Chief Minister, sir, that our intention is not to go to other parts of Assam. If we are provided jobs in any part of Assam, in any other districts of Assam, we are willing to do because we stay in the state of Assam. You must be aware that we could not apply, as I mentioned earlier, that we could not apply in those posts because GEE is not allowing us to apply for those posts which are vacant in other districts of Assam because we don't have Assamese as a subject in our school days or even in TET. In any of our academic certificate, you will not find Assamese as a subject. Because of that, we are not allowed to apply under the TET. All right, you mentioned about the vacancy in other parts of Assam, other districts of Assam. You are very much aware about those vacancies. What about the vacancies in Karbi Anglong district? You know very well, sir. After the Assam TET in 2012, appointments were given in the districts of Karbi Anglong as well. Thank all the media persons present here, and I would like to request all the broadcasters to please broadcast this press meet. I would like to request very wholeheartedly that you please take this matter very seriously. We are doing this not for our own benefit. We are doing this so that in our future, our younger generation do not face the same problems that we faced in the past 2 years. We are doing this so that the students who are studying in the lower school, LP school, high school, or even those who are studying in the degree level, they do not face such kind of, situation when it comes to appointments in the future, especially the education department. So thank you very much. I would like to thank all the media persons present here for giving your time. And all are coming from different places. In spite of having your valuable time, you give us this opportunity to come in front of all the media persons present here. And we hope that this press meet will be broadcasted in every channel of Karbi Anglong districts, as well as news channels across Assam. So thank you very much. Kardong.